It is not always the case that when you start having bloody stool, it is bowel. No. In today's video, I would want to share with you one particular kind of cancer that forms in the lower GI tract. It presents similar like you having bowel. However, this is a very serious kind of condition, and this particular kind of cancer is called colorectal cancer. That might sometimes make you have bloody stools, loss of weight, anorexia. Sometimes this kind of cancer can start spreading to all parts of the body, and that is what we call the metastatic state. Colorectal cancer is basically abnormal growth of tissue or cells in the lower GI tract, predominantly in the colon and rectum. It starts very small and it grows with time. With regards to this kind of condition, there are many people that when it's being identified in its early stage, there are a lot that doctors can be able to do about it. I hope you understand. So that we'll be able to treat you or manage you accordingly. However, when you wait for this kind of cancer to become very, very extensive and it gets to the end stage, sometimes it's very difficult for you to manage it accordingly. Now, I think one of the reasons why a lot of people wait for this kind of condition to get worse before they go to the hospital is because of fear. Yes, many people think of it that, oh, when it's cancer, what will my relatives say? What will my friends say? Am I going to die? What will happen to me? When you think of that, you will wait and the condition will get worse. And most of the time, when the condition gets worse, they will end up in the hospital. Meanwhile, when they started, you can go to the hospital for treatment to be started earlier. Studies have shown that there are even people who are very younger age and they are being diagnosed with colorectal cancer. Others too are elderly people being diagnosed with colorectal cancer. So this means that with this kind of condition, there is not a laid down age with regards to a diagnosis. Anybody is at risk when it comes to colorectal cancer. Now, how is colorectal cancer diagnosed? It is diagnosed using an imaging called lower GI endoscopy. Predominantly is what we call colonoscopy. Now, with this colonoscopy, they will pass a tube through your anus and it will enter your GI tract. And they will be able to scope inside and identify whether there is a growth of abnormal tissues or cells. Now, there are some people who say, no, I will not accept this kind of tube to pass through my anus. They need to go inside to identify whether there is a growth of truly there is a growth of cells there or not. So if you saying that you will not agree, you will wait for the cancer to get to the end stage before you will now permit for this investigation to be done. No. So I think that we have to clear away that kind of mindset. And when you go to the hospital and certain investigations need to be done, you have to accept it in good faith because the doctor wants the best for you. I hope you understand. So this is what I would want you to know about colorectal cancer. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.